You can see where I welded a 2.5 to 3 inch adapter right off of the flange. I cleaned the flange all up, so that's seating well again. This is a stainless steel Vibrant 3 inch in and out, 12 inch long resonator. Don't pay any attention to that. I had to grind a hanger off of there. This is all 3 inch pipe going back to the muffler. And then these hangers were actually on this piece of pipe that I bought. It was a piece of pipe for like a 1-ton box truck or something like that. It was the perfect length. So ended out using the hangers. I cut one off the pipe and then welded it back on. Fits perfect. And that's the muffler going out to the 2¼ inch tailpipes. Here's the Flowmaster after I took it out of the truck, and this is an 8430502. This muffler itself is probably still good, but I was starting to see down here, you can see the soot on these weld joints. That means that it was starting to leak through the welds, and this one has quite a few miles on it. All the weld joints, they're just kind of flaking apart. You can see the mufflers are the same size virtually, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I'm probably going to have to maybe extend the pipes a little bit. So let's see what it looks like under there now. Same tailpipes. You can see the muffler welded in now. Did a pretty decent job welding it. Not perfect, but not bad. And got a hanger on the back of it. Well, here's the new exhaust setup. That is a factory 3 inch tailpipe. It says 2 3/4, but it's actually 3 inch. Factory hanger up over the axle. I had to put about a 16 inch piece of extension pipe in because I'd cut this so many times. There's the Thrush muffler, and then in front of the Thrush, it's 3 inch all the way up to the front, which is I think a Volant 12 inch long resonator. So let's see how it sounds. Quiet at idle, but boy is that raspy. I'm gonna need to put another resonator in there, I think.